Hello, in this JavaScript video I am going to show you the do while loop. So we got the for loop, the while loop right here. If any of this seems alien to you, I highly recommend going and checking out the for loop and the while loop videos. So what's a do while loop? A do while loop is very similar to a while loop, but it is run once at the very least, then the condition is checked. So a for loop and a while loop have this condition right here. And this is checked at the start of running the loop every single time. And if it's valid, then it runs it. If not, then it doesn't run it. Whereas the do while loop, the condition is checked at the end, so it will get run at least once. And if we simulate something very similar, we're using a do while loop. So if we do var x or ij, let's do k equals 0, and then the format is do. And then let's copy this JK. So the rest of it, apart from the condition where that is checked, is the same as the while loop. And then you just put here while, and now you put your condition. So we're gonna say k less than or equal to 100. Save that, refresh, and you might think, okay, produce the exact same result, so how is this any different? At the moment, it isn't. But look what happens. If I change this to 1000, and the condition says only run this for loop if I is less than 100, at the start it's 1000, so it's not going to run it. J will set to 1000, and we'll set k to 1000 as well. Okay, let's reload it. As you can see, you get one print statement or one log statement, and it says this is position for k 1000. So what's happened? In the for loop, I is 1000. The condition is if it's less than or equal to 100. 1000 is much bigger than 100, therefore this doesn't get run. J is 1000. The condition for the while loop is j less than or equal to 100? No, 1000 again is a lot bigger, so this loop isn't run. K is set to 1000, but here it runs this piece of code, which is this right here. Then it checks for the condition. Is k less than 100? So is 1000 less than or equal to 100? So is 1000 less than or equal to 100? No, it isn't. It's much bigger. And then it doesn't run it anymore, but it runs the code at least once. So if you need to do, let's say if you have some code and you need to at least run it once, maybe some sort of check, some sort of input from the user. So this is great if you're getting input from the user, and this condition is used to check if the input is valid or not. So if the user provides some invalid input, you keep asking them till they provide valid input. This is fantastic. So that's a do while loop. These are the main loops that you will be dealing with. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.